Wait, I forgot to contour my nose. That's why I'm like, why does something look off? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. If you are new, if you're old, welcome back. In today's video, I am bringing to you guys this bronze makeup look. Last week, I had went on a boat trip and I did this look. I didn't actually have time to film it, so that's why I'm filming it now and showing you guys. The outfit that I have on, I'm going to show you guys as well. So hopefully I'll be able to go on the website and am able to tag the pieces that I'm wearing so that you guys can get your hands on it if you guys want to. If you guys want to continue to know or whatever, see how I got this look and this outfit, please continue to keep watching. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as comment, like, and subscribe. Or if you don't want to comment, you can subscribe. Or if you don't want to subscribe, just give this video a thumbs up. It'll be greatly appreciated. And let's just get right into this video, you guys. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My eyebrows are not cute. I don't really know. This one is okay, but this one, I don't really know. But we're just gonna skip past that because, again, you know, the eyebrows are sisters, not twins. So first I'm going to prime my eyelids with this this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my lid. Now, a couple weeks ago, I did a look that I thought was actually really easy and simple to do. So I'm going to redo that for you guys because I actually didn't have a chance to film. I had went on like a night boat cruise or something, but I just didn't have time to film, so I'm just going to recreate the look that I did, as well as I'm going to show you guys the outfit that I wore as well on the boat. So I'm actually just going to fast forward this because, I mean, you guys already know how to blend out concealer. I hope so. I mean, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to do this, so I'm just going to fast forward this. Actually going to set my eye, well, I'm going to set my eyes with this Beauty Supply powder. Going in with the Morphe 335V palette. It came with a plastic shield with this, so you can know the names of the shadows, but I don't really know where that is. But I'm actually going to take this transition shade right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. This guy right here. I'm gonna put that in my crease area.
I guess not. Listen, man, you can still do what you want to do. You gotta trust that. Heard once that in God times when you need a sign, that's when they appear. Yes, since my text message didn't resonate, I just say it here. Hate the fact my mom cooped up in her apartment, telling herself that she's too sick to get dressed up and go do shit like that's true shit. All my family from the M-town that I've been around start treating me like I'm him now, like we don't know.
Go in with this darker shade down here. And I'm gonna put that like in my crease area. I'm gonna keep it kind of tight.
There's no need for us to rush this through. Don't think about it too much. This is more than just a new lust for you. Don't give up.
And then I'm going to go in with this dark brown shade right here to give my eyes like a little bit more depth.
Don't give up when your heart stops and you tell me something's gone.
Then I'm done with that. I'm going to go in with this gold shade right here, and I'm just going to pack that on my lid.
Well, if it's all a dream, then I'm on fire. Feels like I'm on fire. Tell me
back in with that dark brown shade that I ended up doing. I'm just going to kind of make sure the edges are like blended well together. Now that the eyes are done and kind of like smoky, I'm going to apply some lashes. I need to actually grab them because they're actually not with me. They're in my bathroom, so I'm gonna grab those and I will be right back. Alright, so now that the eyes are done, I'm actually going to go with this color correcting, and I'm gonna color correct some a little bit of the darkness that I kind of have on my face.
This through. Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much. This is more just a new lust for you.
I feel like this is too light for me. So I have to mix the two. Unfortunately, I have to come up with a concoction. So I have to mix, I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundations. I really like these because they are actually really full coverage. So I think that's something to keep in mind if you guys are looking for a drugstore, not concealer, a drugstore foundation, then get this. This is really full coverage and I really live by these. So I'm going in with the shade 13 Chestnut. As you guys can see, this is super dark. And then I'm going in with the shade 9A. This is Natural Tan. I might go in with like one pump of the Golden Tan as well, like I said, because I don't know. I kind of got tanned, but then again, some of these shades are too light and then one obviously is too dark. So we're going to mix it up and we're going to kind of see what we kind of come up with. I'm going to use one pump of the Golden Tan. That maybe could like match my skin though, so we'll see. Might be a little light. So I'm going to go in with the Chestnut 13 and I'm just going to do like a small smidge pump. And I'm just gonna blend those two just to see what that looks like.
Got me feeling pinned down, pick the pen up and put the pen down. Writing to you from a distance like a pen pal, but we been down. Down.
Too much, too much, too much. There's no need for us to rush this through.
Go in with this medium beige concealer.
This is more just a new lust for you. Don't give up.
Now I'm gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. You guys, I live by this stuff. I really like it. And it's super affordable. So I kind of got the shade as closest to my foundation as possible because I noticed with using the banana powder sometimes it could leave like flashback, or so I try to set my powder or set my under eye with powder that's very close to my foundation shade. So that's like a tip for somebody who kind of suffers with flashback. Try getting a powder that's a little closer to your skin tone or your foundation. So that way it's still setting your eyes, but it's not super harsh like it would be if you were to use a lighter powder underneath your eyes. Then I'm going to take this makeup mist and I'm actually just going to spray the brush. And then I'm going to just kind of go over that powder just to make sure all that powder is dissolved into the skin. I'm going to contour with this as well. This is the e.l.f. bronzer, I'm assuming. I peeled the sticker off the back of it, so sorry about that if you guys ask me what it is. I will actually link this down below so that you guys know what exact powder I used for this look. Then I'm going in with this Milani Spiced Rose Powder Blush. If you guys are looking for an affordable blush, this is really good. And it's like super pigmented, so try not to be heavy-handed because this stuff, like I said, is very pigmented. That I went to go grab was the Wet n Wild Hustle and Flow. This is a loose highlighter powder, so please be careful when opening this. I'm just gonna put a little in this cap because this stuff is probably like super messy. This is the first time that I use a loose setting powder, so this should be interesting. It's not like the solid one, so I feel like you really gotta work kind of like light with this because this can be very like heavy. You guys see that? It's pretty, it's really pretty, but you really have to work really light-handed with this, and I feel like building it because it can definitely get like messy.
Someone go tell Noel to get it backwards. Money got my whole family going backwards. No dinners, no holidays, no nothing. There's issues at hand and we're not discussing.
Now I usually use a fan when I spray my face. This just makes it easier, or you can get this sponge or whatever sponge that you're using to blend your foundation or concealer out with, and then just press that into the skin, and that'll kind of like set everything that's on your face. So I'm just going to spray my face, and then I'm just going to fan. I'll keep my eyes closed because I think a little bit got on my eyeshadow and I don't want it to transfer. So I'm just gonna close my lid. So we're gonna go with Plum by MAC because, like I said, the other color was just too like mauve for me. I'm going to take this Warm Sienna. It's a matte lipstick. I think it's from the Beauty Supply, but I'll be sure to list it down below where I actually got it. Matte, and I don't really like that on my lips because that can be very drying, so I'm just gonna be using this e.l.f. lip plumping gloss, and this kind of gives my lips like a little bit more of a moisturizer to it, and this is in the shade Mocha Twisted.
I'm on fire. Tell me when I'm lying. Tell me when I'm trying.
I think I need a bronze a little or something. So I'm just gonna take this MAC Skin Finishing Powder in Sun Power, and I'm just going to kind of like warm my skin up just a little bit. So this is the full look. I have this black tube top that I paired the outfit with. I wish I would have paired it with a white tube top because I feel like it would have like made the look a little bit better, but it's not as bad with the black tube top. And then I have this baby blue blazer that I paired it with, which is really, really nice. I thought it was gonna be super huge, but this is actually extra small, and I don't normally wear an extra small. So the jacket, I guess, is meant to fit kind of like loose kind of fitting, like big kind of fitting. So I kind of like that. They did not have any matching shorts with this blazer, so I ended up just pairing them with these sage like pants that I got. These are actually really cute, and I feel like they kind of go with the jacket. It's kind of like another color of like blue, well, not blue, but this is like a greenish color, but still it kind of goes together. As well as I paired the whole outfit with these clear shoes. They just kind of have like a skimpy kind of heel, but I feel like I really like these just because you can pair these with pretty much a lot of stuff. So I had like nude shoes, but I think that probably would have clashed with this, so I kind of paired them with these clear kind of sandals. And yeah, this is the look. Oh, and I got these earrings from Express, so I'll try to link everything down below that I have on. Like I said, I'll try to link everything down below so that you guys know where I got it from if you guys want to purchase. And yeah, this is the finished look. And if you guys like more videos like this with me showing you what I wore out the night before, or what? That doesn't even make sense. Scratch that. If you guys like to see videos of what people wore when they went out or something, let me know. I find personally I like this when I watch videos of people on YouTube. I like seeing them what they wore, so I can kind of get an idea of maybe my next outfit or something. But yeah, this is the outfit. I hope you guys like the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.